So wired properly, try to trip, should trip. Never poke these with anything metal. That's the test. Can't even test it. You can hit the reset, and as you can see, people have already been hitting that over the years. So these are old and failing, and these chattered. So next one. So we have open neutral. It just clicked on us, but it didn't trip. So let's go ahead and try to GFCI trip it. Nothing. Let's hit the reset. Oh, we get our green light back. Try to trip it. Nothing. Again. These are all been, I'm assuming, by other tenants over the years because the whole system's overloaded. Let's go over here to this outlet, and as you can actually see, oh, it's tripped already. This one chatters, the others chattered, so we're wired good. Let's trip it. Oh, this one's good, but we have a ground stuck in there. This one's newer than the other ones. Let's see if we can trip it yet. We can trip it with the test. So this outlet's not as fucked off as the others. Let's go to this one. And it just tripped by itself. So, yeah. Let me zoom out. Okay. Put the tester in. Reset it. And we have okay, good lights. Let's trip it. And we don't get a trip, although we can hear it. You can hear it trying to trip. And it just blew something up. Probably my shit. But we still got power. What the fuck? Every homeowner and renter should test your shit, because your landlord, and yeah, that's smoked. They can't get me on anything. This KLEIN, this is official, this is legit. No tripping. So why do we have power? I'm not sticking my finger in there. Okay, this outlet is unusable. And the fucked up thing is, I don't pull current off this outlet. So all these outlets were failing, and they just happened to fail on me. Okay, do we have any more GFCI? I don't think so.